In the energy industry, you face a range of challenges when safeguarding your people and your assets in the field, especially in remote areas. Man-made and environmental disasters, compromises in your perimeter, changes in site terrain, and shifts in cultural sentiment can put your operation and your reputation at considerable risk. Minimize that risk with the most current and complete picture of your operating environment. With detail-rich satellite imagery and analysis from Digital Globe, implement a security strategy that keeps you alert to possible threats. Geospatial intelligence helps keep your assets safe in 3 key ways: location, time, and context. Location is where everything happens. Having up-to-date data on your assets and infrastructure enables not only risk assessment and preparation, but countermeasures as well. With a shareable common operating picture, your team monitors and responds with confidence. Monitoring areas over time leads to a better understanding of changing conditions. With geospatial analysis, detect vulnerabilities before they become opportunities for your adversaries. Political, cultural, and economic context is essential to assessing security risk. Geospatial analysis based on our unique methodology adds context to your situational awareness, so you can focus security resources where and when it matters most. Digital Globe's geospatial analysis and insight reveal critical pieces of intelligence that can protect lives and livelihoods. Digital Globe understands your challenges and your mission. Talk with us about your toughest problems, and we'll put geospatial intelligence to work for you.